Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear RAM on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to clear your RAM, so let's see how can you do that. Very first, you have to try to clear or delete or close all the recent apps from your iPhone if you're using any app or it's running in background. So you just have to swipe up and just close all recent apps. After doing that, you have to simply go to your settings app, then go for general, go for iPhone storage here, and you just have to look for some unnecessary apps, or if you are find any apps here which you don't know or you haven't installed, so you just have to try to delete that from here. Let's say I'm going to delete this one. Just select delete app, or you can also try to offload any app to clear cache files. So let's say I'm going to select offloading my TikTok app here. Just select that, select offload app, then select offload app again. It will clear all the cache files from your specific app. After offloading, you have to try to reinstall app, so it will completely get a refresh on your app. It will not delete any kind of app data. After doing that, you just have to try to make a full restart to your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to simply quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And after restarting, your mobile will have a refresh and draw all over your system, so you will not get any issue again and your RAM will be clear. So in this way, you can easily clear your RAM on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.